I'm Grant Ferguson. I'm with the Department of Civil and Geological Engineering, mostly with the Geological Engineering program in the University of Saskatchewan. So together with the other members of my team, which is Matt Lindsay, who's a geochemist in the Department of Geological Sciences, and Andrew Ireson, who's a hydrologist with the School of Environment and Sustainability here at University of Saskatchewan. We've been working on a joint project with Atomic Energy Canada Limited at their Chalk River labs. We have obtained a lot of water samples from monitoring wells on site, and we've also looked at actually obtaining soil samples through a small drilling program that we've done on site, and Atomic Energy Canada Limited has had their own drilling programs recently and historically, so we'll be examining some of that data that they've collected and bringing back samples here to Saskatoon and analyzing those as well. And the third aspect of the project would be the physics of the groundwater system and the geology of the groundwater system. So I guess what we're looking at is trying to close the whole nuclear fuel cycle. And we don't understand necessarily all the implications of how these things will end up. So these are potentially long-term problems, but at the same time, we've at the most only got a few decades of data. Because from what we've seen so far in the literature, it doesn't look like the footprint of any contaminated water is that large. So that might be an interesting story to try and figure out why this has happened, and does this make us more willing to take on these facilities in some communities.